So I generally prefer to do my contour with a powder rather than a cream, like this very well-loved Anastasia Beverly Hills contour powder kit, as you can see here. This is one of my favorites, but you don't have to just use that one. You can use any contour powder that works for you. I really like this Wet n Wild and this NARS one as well. And for a brush, you really want to use something that's dense and fluffy at the same time. This is a really great brush by Real Techniques. So anything that's similar to this, that almost comes to a little point, I find works very well. So to contour, I really like to start in the hollows of my cheeks first, and I will kind of take that up through my temple to the top of my forehead in almost a C formation. But you do want to contour underneath the jaw, as you see right here, and under the chin. And I'm just doing that on the other side here, and really just focusing sort of in the hairline area. Get in there, get in where your hairs are, your little baby hairs. That really just helps blend everything in and give your face some dimension. And then I go back on the other side if I feel like I want a little bit more intense. So for my nose contour, I really like this brush. I forgot what brand it was, but it's an angled, very dense little brush, and it just really helps control the contour in my nose. So I kind of have a tricky nose to contour. I have to sort of not do two straight lines, but I have to do one line closer in. But do what works for you. I don't really contour too much on the side. I keep it pretty direct on the top area and then at the tip. But you have to just do what works for you in the effect you're going for. And it just takes some experimentation. And then I take a fluffy brush and put some powder on top to sort of blend. There you go. That's pretty much all that I do on a day-to-day basis to give myself a nice natural looking contour.